welcome to episode 3 of styling my wavy curly hair using just one product. On episode 1 we did cream, episode 2 we did gel, and episode 3 we're gonna do foam or mousse. Same thing, you know what I mean? And this is divine timing because just yesterday I received the brand new mousse from Rizos. So I'm gonna start applying this all over my hair, but the main difference between how I style with foam versus how I style with gel or with cream is that I'm not really going to brush style or divide my hair into many sections because I really want to focus on adding volume and body, and that's what like foams and mousses are really good for. I have to say though, there's something very particular about this foam because look at the definition with just me scrunching it up. I'm gonna do the same on this side. I'm also gonna take my time to shake my roots because that gives me good volume. And that's it. I'm gonna go diffuse. I'll be right back. I'm back. These were my results. Honestly, I'm shook because listen, with foams and with mousses for wavy hair, it's just so good for body texture and volume. But honestly, I don't even expect definition to show up. This is curls. What did y'all put in this? Anyways, this was my favorite results out of the 3 episodes we've done so far. So yeah, if you're a wavy curly person, that's it, y'all. I'll see you on the next one.